Welcome everybody. It's another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon showcasing Quopi. Now this is an update on how my account has been progressing with Quopi AI. Now I must say, at the moment we are sitting on 22 USDT in my account. I'm looking to withdraw today. Now this platform has obviously been steady, had no issues. I like the way it's been running so far. I have obviously 2 cycles that I've currently done with Quopi AI. Now, if I just go over to the home page, take a look at that, and then scroll down, you can see my current stake amount, which is 100 USDT. Let me go to view details. So this is what I have profited as of the last 24 hours. So as of this cycle, which is a 30-day cycle, I've been in for 11 days, which is fantastic. So we really are closing in on that 30 days. I've profited 22% of my 100 USDT that I have in there. So this 22%, which is 22 USD, that's exactly what I'm going to withdraw. I haven't done a withdrawal for 11 days, and I mean 11 working days. So that should be something like 2 weeks, guys. So that's how much confidence I have in the platform. It hasn't let me down in the past. I can't see it letting me down in the future. Honestly, there's no reason I wouldn't go in when it comes to Quopi AI. It's been consistent, it's been delivering, and the Telegram group is jam-packed with individuals in there. I think there's over 3,000 people in the Telegram group, showing how much traction this platform has obviously garnered over the last few weeks and months. Because I think this platform has been alive for 6 to 5 months now, consistently. This is my second cycle, and when I say cycle, full cycle, and I'll show you that. Now, before I do that, just to let you know, all these videos are courtesy of Crypto Earning Weapon, where we like to showcase some of the most popular DeFi space projects, especially the ones that I'm in, and obviously you will see them recurring if they've obviously stood the test of time and are still paying. So I can, as you can see, Falcon, I've already completed multiple cycles and I'm using house money. Same with Quopi AI, just got into Invisible AI, and so on. And again, guys, if you are interested in Quopi AI, there's a link in the description. Please feel free to take a look at it and join. It's all free when it comes to that. And if you are happy and like the content we're providing, please do like and subscribe. We would appreciate that considerably. Now back to business. So let me go across and get a update on what I've been able to achieve in this platform so far. So they've obviously added this sort of matrix just here, which gives the detail on the amount of return I've received in total, 144%. Now I have been in twice, so let's scroll down and take a look. So there you have it, 2 cycles. This one I completed in its entirety. I got 63% back over 30 days. So remember, this is 30 weekdays, and I'm in again with 100 USDT, and this is obviously house money, and I'm in 11 days out of the 30 days. So that's 2 weeks and a bit I've been in it. Right, now guys, what else can I tell you? So you will receive a profit of between 1.5 to 4% in profit every day. Now that is every weekday. Now guys, a little bit of good news for those who take heed or those who are able to benefit. I do have a few people who have obviously joined under me. I think there's only 3 more people who haven't ROI'd and got their money out, because obviously once you do hit the 30 days, I do urge you to pull out your money just to make sure it's all good and it's all worked. Get it back into your crypto wallet and then reinvest if you like. You can reinvest a smaller portion. You can reinvest the same amount based on your confidence and how much you have sort of done a general analysis and due diligence with regards to the platform. That's fair and fine. Also, what I'd like to say, guys, because I've already ROI'd in this platform, if anyone does join or does deposit any sort of amount, large amount, because further down there's a list of the email addresses of whoever has deposited, I will be looking to send across to you. Obviously, you can get in touch with me in the comment section if you've made a deposit. I'll be able, and make sure you let me know who you've deposited as, but you don't do that in the comments. In the comments, just let me know that you've deposited. I can obviously join my Telegram group. There you'll be able to get my details, and you can send me a message, and then only then will I confirm with you what your email address is and what email address you use to log in using my link. So if you do make a deposit, all the commissions that I get from your deposit, I will send straight back to you. That way you can ROI quicker and you can be in the same position that I'm in now. So I'm going to look to do that with all my projects that I'm actually ROI'd and I've made my money back. I'll be looking to obviously apportioning some of that commission to anyone who follows, any members who joined off of my link, and let's get as many people ROI'd as possible as well. So hopefully that's a benefit to whoever grasps that and gets stuck in with that offer, and hopefully that makes a difference to you guys. Now, what I would say is look out for my next videos and in different platforms that I'm in, because there are some platforms that do not allow me to see an email address, so I can't tell who might have deposited using my link. So those particular platforms, it'll be difficult for me to identify who has deposited under my link. But in terms of Quopi AI, this one is a gem. I think Invisible AI is another fantastic one where you can actually see, and in fact, in that platform, Invisible, I could actually send across the funds immediately to you if you do join beneath me. So that's something to take heed of. And I think, guys, with that being said, Quopi AI still producing, still running amok in the DeFi space, proving to be the #1 platform as far as I'm concerned. Second cycle, I've been with it for 45 days, easy. In fact, longer than that, almost 55 days, coming on 60 days that I've been involved. It's been running for over 100 days. So guys, this is the DeFi space. Put your 2FAs on. I hope you've enjoyed the content. Please like and subscribe. We'll appreciate all of that. There's a Telegram group in the link in the description. Join that group where we communicate and get down to the nitty-gritty when it comes to the DeFi space. And guys, I will see you in the next